Hi, my name is Milena del Pilar Aponte Velasco. I am student in the National Open and Distance University UNAD School of Education Lille, Bachelor degree in Foreign Language with emphasis in English. This is a question. Uh, Number one. What is the purpose of the course? To render language sociolinguistic and pragmatic foreign language skill from the performance of oral production that in given set of reality interaction in order to communicate and discuss effectively on complex topics. Number two, how many learning outcome can you find in the syllable? At the end of the course, the student will be able to learning outcome 1. Demonstrate oral skill to express themselves fluently and spontaneous of different cultural topics for social or academic purposes. Learning outcome 2. Discuss of a controversial topic as in argument for or against to convincing an interlocutor toward a specific point of the view. Learning outcome 3. Interpret extend discourse even with when it is not clearly structured and when relationships are only implied and do not explicitly state. Learning outcome 4. Describe complex topic with clear and detailed information by developing speaking points and run up with an appropriate conclusion. Number 3. What are synchronous interaction activities? Synchronous interaction activities are tools that are performed by a group of participants at the same time. Number 4. How many activities are there in the course? The learning strategy is organized in 6 tasks. Task 1. Reflection on cumulative of the English language. Task 2. Participate in the 8th compulsory weekly meeting. Task 3. Debate on controversial issues. Task 4. Cambridge C1 events speaking paper. Task 4. 5. Standing listing desk. Task 6. Deliver a speech via web conference system. Number 5. Which course activity involving real-time interaction? The course activity that involving real-time interaction are Task 2. Participate in 8 mandatory weekly meetings. Task 3. Debate on controversial topic. Task 4. Speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advance. Number 6. Summarize in your own word the rules and conditions of the course. Summarize on the word the rules and the condition of the course. Begin a student of the University National Open and Distance UNAD. I must be respectful, keen and honesty with the course. Complying, complying with the security policy of the course. I must include a photo in my profile where I can identify myself with my tutor and classmates as well as making sure that institutional email is working properly and reading the course syllabus and environment to carry out my learning process of this course. Continuously consult the course international email to be able participate in the different activities proposed in the course. These are my reflections. I consider that my English is lonely. Eh, I am at the A1, A2, B1 level. Seen with the student that we see within the student that the scene within the university where are looking to learning more about pedagogy. My practice is based on sound and listen on to new watching videos. English is of my favorite language. It is the second most spoken language in the world. It is the second most spoken language in the world. With it, you can have many job opportunities, many new cultures. I love to social, and it is an opportunity to meet people. Is it difficult to learn a language in adulthood since adults have a lot of information stored while children have a French mean and the learning much faster. However, learning another language is very good for the brain. It help it help with the learning a new language. Very good for the brain. It helps with the learning brain problems, shoot, and dementia. Children start to learn a bit and have a lot of energy and spend for learning. To learn a new language, we must have a lot of discipline and the time we should dedicate to English or another language should be indefinite that is be constant with learning. I make English part of the a habit and that the whole family learns a single language so that they that have better opportunity and the art of the life. This is all. Thank you very much.